Hello there, my friends. So I had a comment, somebody asked a question, they wanted to know how to play back something you've recorded using the voice recorder. And it's a simple process, but it's not simple if you don't know how to do it the first time. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So I have voice recorder on my desktop. You may not, so you may have to swipe up and over to find it. So here it is here. So you can click on either one, it's the same app. You would press this button if you wanted to record. Obviously, we're going to play back a recording. So what happens is it gets stored into this list. So you press list, and then you have a list of your voice recordings. So this one, for instance, is an interview that I did, and I did it on Zoom, and it's on my YouTube channel. And I wanted the video and audio, but just in case there was a problem with Zoom or the audio or the video, I wanted to have the audio, and then I could at least use it as a podcast instead of an actual video. So we'll pick that one. And you just press it and it automatically starts playing. Now you can press pause. You can swipe here to like go to a certain time signature, and you can see the time signatures. Here's the total amount of time of the recording. So this was 42 minutes, and now we're at 48 seconds, and you can get there pretty fast. Like you just shoo, and there we're at the end. So that's kind of nice, being able to scroll back and forth, and there's a little scroll bar down here too that you can use to get there real fast. And then, yeah, from this menu you can play, pause. You can adjust the speed, which I don't know why you would want to do that with human speech unless you were just trying to make it sound funny. Here you can rename the file, so you can take it from being like the number 17 or something something dash underscore 17 to like I did interview with Patrick. But be very careful when you do that, because for some reason they put the delete button right next to the rename button. And what is the most popular thing that you're going to do is probably rename it. And why would you put the delete button next to that? So just be careful, because if you delete it, it's gone, like gone. So don't go anywhere near that menu. If you don't want to mess with anything in there, just press anywhere else on the screen, and that menu will disappear and you won't delete your file. So having said that caveat, I hope this helps you. Smashing a like helps me. If you want to see more videos about tech, go ahead and put it in the comments below and subscribe, and you'll see my next video. So I hope you have a great day. See if you can help somebody else today without trying. No. See if you can try to help somebody else today without getting caught. Have a great day. Take care.